right, next what we're going to do is the landing gear. So if we look back at the picture of the airplane, it's basically just a semicircle extruded. So from the front view of the airplane, we can see it looks a little off. That's because of the angle of the camera, and it's a little not positioned correctly, but it is the same width as the actual fuselage. So what we're going to do is that'll be the extruded value of 0.73. We're going to draw a half circle, cut it in half, and then just extrude the half of it. So the diameter means the diameter of the circle is 1.37. So let's go in here, and as usual, we go to plus the bottom, create part studio, and then I'm going to right click and rename it. And I'm going to call this one landing gear. Or alt click if you need to do that. And then what I'm going to do is do a sketch, front view. I always like doing the front view, most detail, which is the half circle. But I'm going to start by making a full circle. There's a couple ways to make circles. You can use 3 points, ellipse. Center circle is probably the best. And what I'm going to do is click at the origin, and I got accidentally unselected it, and make that there. And I think we say 1. So once you click once for the center point, click again for the outside point, and then we can actually type in 1.37. And then what we want to do is we want to cut that circle in half. So I'm going to go to my line tool. I'm just going to click on, I'm going to try to go across the axes here. So see how it kind of snaps to that. One click, then we go all the way across through the center of the circle, and then the other side, and it's right across the diameter. So then we can right click, escape, or you can escape by clicking that again. So we can keep the whole sketch of the whole circle, and then close that out, as I like to do, move to the isometric view, and then we're going to extrude. And we could click on the bottom and the top, but we just want to do the bottom. So whenever you do pieces, just click on all the pieces you want to extrude. And I think 0.73, I think was what it was. And click check. Go to part, right click or alt click, edit appearance. And I'm making mine red, I guess, like the rest. Unless I decide I want to make it black, kind of like a tire. I don't know. I might do this version black. Doesn't matter. All right, there we go. That is our landing gear.